If you think container gardening is just about putting flowers in a pot and hoping for the best, think again. What you grow, where you place it, and how you combine it can completely transform even the smallest balcony or front porch into a blooming masterpiece. Let's dive into some creative ideas and plants that do wonders in containers and turn any space into a floral haven. Violas and pansies are cold-tolerant bloomers that bring early color after winter. And did you know their petals are edible? Sprinkle them over salads or desserts for a beautiful, garden-fresh touch. Strawberries aren't just tasty, they're great for hanging containers. With their berries dangling over the edges, they're a treat for the eyes and easy to harvest too. If you want serious curb appeal, a bursting planter or overflowing window box with colorful blooms and trailing greens gives that lush cottage garden vibe that looks great from every angle. Azaleas look incredible in containers during spring. A basket of blooming azaleas on your patio table makes the whole setup feel vibrant and alive. Try planting grape hyacinths in small pots. Even 3 little containers are enough to fill your space with charm and that delicate pop of purple blue. Olive trees do surprisingly well in pots if you have a sunny spot. They give off Mediterranean vibes instantly, and the silvery leaves pair beautifully with other flowering plants. Window boxes overflowing with ivy and violas add personality to plain walls and bring flowers right to your windowsill. Plus, they're easy to water from indoors. Hardy hibiscus in containers can turn a deck into a tropical corner. These large blooms are summer showstoppers and thrive when given enough sun. Lavender works great in pots too. Place a few near your outdoor seating so you can enjoy that calming scent every time you walk by or brush against them. Bored with plain pots? Give them a coat of bright paint and fill them with zinnias, begonias, or petunias. A small creative touch can make your plants pop. Boxwood shrubs in pots can act like a movable hedge, perfect for giving structure or a formal feel to patio corners or entryways. Philodendrons mixed with coleus, floss flower, and geraniums in a concrete planter create a bold, modern contrast that's easy to maintain and visually striking. Succulent container gardens bring tons of texture and color. They're low maintenance, and you can experiment with shapes and heights for an artsy look. Porch is the flower to choose if you've got brutal sun and barely any time. It just keeps blooming, even when other plants give up. A tiny teapot turned into a planter? Yes, please. It's the kind of unexpected twist that makes people stop and look. Petunias are a go-to for a reason. They bloom non-stop and now come in types that don't even need deadheading. Plant them once, enjoy them for months. Want to create a designer-level arrangement? Use the spiller thriller filler method. Mix trailing flowers like sedum, upright stars like coral begonias, and fillers like lantana or alyssum. Sweet alyssum is tiny but mighty. Its honey-scented blooms last into fall and draw pollinators like a magnet. Raised bed containers aren't just for veggies. Add tall flowers and herbs together and elevate your garden. Literally, perennials like heuchera do great in pots, especially when chosen for their foliage. These plants keep their looks long after the blooms are gone. For a dramatic floral wall, grow nasturtiums in planters, baskets, and boxes. Their flowers tumble and trail like a waterfall of color. Calibrachoa resembles mini petunias, but blooms even more consistently, perfect for low-maintenance containers in full sun. Citrus trees like calamondin or dwarf lemon bring both blooms and fruit. Their fragrance alone is worth growing them on patios. Hydrangeas adapt well to pots. Whether you go for blue, pink, or white, just match the plant type to your sun exposure, and you're set. Caladium's heart-shaped leaves come in splashes of pink, white, and green. Use them for foliage drama in shady corners. Lantana is a magnet for butterflies and hummingbirds. It thrives in sun and blooms in fiery shades from spring to frost. Use tall ornamental grasses like fountain grass or purple millet in containers to add movement and height. Their feathery plumes sway in the breeze and pair beautifully with bold flowers or trailing vines. Want instant wow? Go for lush hanging baskets filled with petunias, calibrachoa, lobelia, or trailing ivy. They create vertical interest and give your porch or balcony that full, overflowing look, like a mini garden floating in the air. Sweet potato vine is the foliage powerhouse your containers need. It spills, trails, and comes in shades like chartreuse or deep purple, adding instant drama and contrast wherever you plant it. Finish it off with a showstopper, roses. Today's modern varieties grow beautifully in containers and give you repeat blooms with just a little care. So whether you've got a sunny balcony, a shady corner, or just a few steps by your front door, these container-friendly plants can turn any space into a blooming retreat. If you found an idea you love or already grow one of these in your garden, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's growing in your pots. And if you enjoyed this flower tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening inspiration.